All right, today we're looking at an Elica under-counter refrigerator. This is a new product offering from Elica. They're gonna have 4 different refrigeration unit series. The price point is really good, so this makes for a good replacement market item. This product coming in at roughly $1,200 is going to fill the space of your Perlick, Marvel, whatever unit is that you're replacing at a very cost-effective price point. As you can see, they have a seamless stainless steel frame, dual pane glass door, UV protected. What Elica does a little bit different than other brands, these are shelf depth shelves, so you don't lose some of your depth. A lot of the products out there have a shelf depth that's about 6 inches short to allow the air to circulate, but on their product you have shelves that come all the way out to the front wall, giving you maximum storage. You'll see they do have 3 shelves here, holes in these shelves to help with circulation. This is a forced air machine, and basically forced air gives you the best circulation of air to keep each temperature zone precisely cool over an auto defrost system. You can see their control panel here is all illuminated, touch sensitive controls. There's no buttons or knobs or anything that must be pushed. Little bar back there to protect your refrigeration product from being right up on the cooling plate and freezing sodas inside the machine. And you have 3 different levels of white LED light. You can run this in show-off mode that illustrates the light even when the door is closed. Product offering by Elica. They do not have the branding on the outside of the door. A lot of people prefer this so that your kitchen, all the products look like they're in the same category. They do put their logo only on the control panel inside the door. So come back to kitchenfoundry.com for this particular product. Also, they have a French door unit, 24 inches wide. That's going to be wine on one side, beverage on the other, in a 24-inch class. They've also got a dual zone wine unit, strictly wine, and some other units that are half wine, half beverage. This is using the Umbraco compressor, the same compressor that Perlick uses. Another standout for this price point is the 3-year warranty that you're getting, and that's 3 years on everything.